Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have a Google Ads account and a YouTube channel. Link them now and pick a campaign goal. Start by choosing whether you want views, website clicks, or leads because that controls bidding and ad formats. Once done, set your daily budget and geographic targets so you don't overspend. Make sure to enable conversion tracking or link Google Analytics. That's how you'll measure success. This gets you past the basics and into the ad creation flow immediately. You'll choose a video campaign and subtype, skippable in stream for reach or bumper for quick brand hits, because format affects cost and completion rate. Next, upload the creative, add a concise headline and call to action, and set the final URL. These elements drive clicks when viewers convert. Then define audience targeting. Combine demographics, interests, and custom intent keywords to reach people likely to act. Once done, review bidding strategy. Maximize conversions or target CPA, so your budget aligns with goals. You'll launch and immediately watch key metrics: view rate, click-through rate, cost per click, and conversions so you can judge creative and targeting. Once running, /B test different videos and audience segments and rotate winners into higher budgets. This optimizes performance without guesswork. Make incremental bid and placement adjustments weekly rather than drastic changes. If something goes wrong, check ad disapprovals, ensure tracking pixels are firing, and remove overlapping audiences to fix delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.